Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your PC meets the load. 8 GB RAM minimum, plenty of disk and CPU cores. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable virtualization so the VM can run properly. Next, install a hypervisor like VirtualBox or VMware and allocate at least 4 cores and 50 GB to the virtual drive. Make sure you have a Mac OS installer image ready and an Apple ID so you can sign into the App Store inside the virtual machine. Now you build the virtual Mac. Create a new VM as Mac OS, choose UEFI firmware, and assign 4 or more cores plus at least 8 GB RAM and a 50 GB virtual disk. Attach the Mac OS installer image and boot. Follow the setup assistant and sign in with your Apple ID so the App Store is available. After Mac OS runs, install the hypervisor's guest tools to enable sound, USB, better graphics, and shared folders. These make audio I/O and sample access practical for GarageBand. Inside the virtual Mac OS, launch the App Store, locate GarageBand, and install it with your Apple ID. Once installed, configure audio, enable USB pass-through for your interface, or set up a virtual audio driver for acceptable latency. Make sure GarageBand's input/output preferences point to the correct device and grant microphone access in system settings. If you encounter sound dropouts or crashes, check VM resource allocation. Reinstall guest tools, enable USB pass-through, and ensure virtualization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.